Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the NASDAQ. Today is Thursday, February 29. Time is around 7 p.m. GMT. So basically not much has changed in the NASDAQ since my last video. This was our price action here. So we are looking at two scenarios. A scenario where we have wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So shown in red scenario, the scenario in red, the secondary scenario shows that an upward structure could be finished here in the 4 hour. This is possible as we have divergence here. So therefore, this is definitely a possibility. However, could still be actually that we see more upside here. As we all know, the indices have been quite bullish. So I don't know if there's really a good idea to take a short right here. Of course, if you take this as your stop loss level, like your risk reward can be quite good. But at the same time, there is a high probability that you will be stopped out, because if we put everything into perspective, like if this would be our fifth wave, it looks like compared to our wave 1 and our wave 3 that this fifth wave is quite short. So I think it makes more sense from a distribution point of view that we get something as shown here, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. However, the conditions are fulfilled in the sense that we have an impulse right here. We end with divergence compared to our wave 3 and our wave 3 of 3. So from that perspective, it could be that we have a complete upward structure here in the 4 hour. And this is what the scenario in red is showing. Now, if we continue with the scenario in green, so from the expectation that we will see more upside, let's have a look how this can unfold. So this here is the wave 4 low as shown in green after a 3 waves correction, 1, 2, 3. And so then I would say this here is a first impulse, and then what should follow is a wave 2, 3, 4, and 5. So for this structure here, I would take the wave 4 low as an invalidation level. Technically, there is still something possible as an expanded flat structure, 1, 2, 3, wave A, wave B up, and then wave C down, and then we can have our wave 4 somewhere here. But okay, for now, let's say wave 4 was in here. This is the invalidation level. And then, we are looking for 5 waves, a first impulse here. And then, of course, the key question is again, is this our wave 2 right here? Or will we come down lower as a wave 2? So as we all know, a wave 2 should go into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. So I'm sorry, this area here, so the wave 2 area. But if you follow me for a while and the NASDAQ 2, we all know recently that the pullbacks were quite shallow. So like here we did not catch the wave 2. Here we almost touched it, the wave 2 area, but I would say in general the indices are very bullish and the retracements so far have been very shallow. So could be that we have our wave 2 right here, so that we have another shallow wave 2. However, there is a possibility that this might be our 3 waves correction, like 1, 2, 3. This is really hard to say. However, if we continue here with the bullish count in green, if this is the wave 2, so let's assume that the wave 2 is already in, what should happen for a wave 3? Like ideally we take out here the wave 1 RSI. We don't have to, but this is what we normally do in a wave 3, and then our target becomes here the area between the, so if we take the length of the wave 1, the length of the wave 2, then our target for the wave 3 is here the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. I won't put it yet on my chart, because otherwise it might look like I'm assuming that the wave 2 low was in. I'm telling you it's a possibility, but I prefer to stick to the guidelines, and that means that we can only consider a wave 2 here in this area. However, if we start to rally here, if we take out the high right here, if we take out the RSI reading right here, it is what it is. And then we had another shallow wave 2, and we are working on the wave 3. So this is what I see for now in the NASDAQ. There is a possibility here, as shown in red, that we have our 5 waves up, as shown in the 4-hour, and then we have to hold the high right here. However, from a distribution point of view, it would make more sense that this 5th wave is showing some more subwaves, let's say a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5, if we compare like with our wave 3 here and our wave 1 right here. Okay, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you one of the next days for another update on the NASDAQ. Have a nice day. Bye bye.